heroes! This is We2Play!
And UltramiteHero!
I need to turn it up, I think.
Because reasons.
Yeah, he has no idea why he's playing this with me.
No
but
idea.
I do. And we'll find out after this loading screen. There we go! We are doing solos. Let me try that again. Groove Classic.
Oh, okay.
As this is my 5th episode of Super
Oh
Smash
no, I
Brothers.
played a 1 because I was too quick. Okay, go back and I won't touch it this time.
What do you mean?
I'm player 1. That's not supposed to be.
Alright.
Well, it's your house and your channel, so you deserve to be player 1.
There. Now I'm player 1.
Oh, I see what's wrong with this controller.
And
oh,
we are going to be
dear.
playing Classic together with Dakota using my previously great Super Smash Brothers controller before it became not so great.
This is gonna actually be a problem.
So I'm gonna lose again!
Well,
Great!
I'll try to work with it.
I mean, the good news is I get to pick what character I
If
like.
this doesn't work, though, well, just give me a Wii mode. I can work with that. And the nunchuck.
Maybe I should just give that to you now.
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
So that people don't have to
Hold
watch.
on,
Sonic
This
jump.
this
Sonic
is gonna
would
be a
just
problem.
keep jumping. That is gonna be a problem.
Alright, hold on. Do you need a nunchuck too?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Then here, take this nunchuck that's already been plugged into the control because I don't know how to take care of my stuff. Okay.
But I'm still being Sonic because I like Sonic and also Sonic Mania! Woo!
We of course just got done playing that. So much fun. And thank you guys for 20 views.
Ooh.
Seriously, did not expect that.
Right.
I could jam that in the Galaxy Wisp face! In your face, Galaxy Wisp! Okay, back to being maybe just a tad more,
Humble.
maybe. Okay, who should I be?
You should know humility. I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyways.
You know what? I'm gonna be Lucas.
Okay.
Because the one time, well, I mean, there was one other character, but I won with Lucas on Super Smash Bros. For 3DS's, classic mode on 9.0.
I believe I won it with Sonic, but I'm not sure.
So the best in co-op is 7.5. Can we beat that?
Wow.
Let's find out.
Yeah.
So, if I get to episode 10, I'll have Galaxy Wisp play with me. Who's actually kind of a bad player. No offense.
But that is true.
You've seen it
Yeah.
plenty of times in my videos. Most of the time, he just beats me and got UltramiteHero. Although not in Sonic Mania. We hold that victory!
I beat them in Sonic Mania.
Yes! Oh, it's so cool! I didn't think that was gonna happen.
Same here.
I mean, sure, he didn't actually play the one-player game with us, but come on.
He's played and beaten all the well, no, I think he has beaten all the classic Sonic games. And
Yeah.
he didn't do it with save states like I'm attempting to, but still failing at. So I'm proud of beating him at Sonic Mania. I'll take a victory when I can get one.
Yeah, no kidding. Maybe it's not being humble when we gloat about our victories against Galaxy Wisp, but come on,
when
they
you
are
lose
far...
when you lose to the same person over and over again, you kind of feel like gloating when you actually get a victory, you know?
So, our community question, or mine, is...
Oh, I
have
almost
someone
tried to
that-
home run you.
Dang it. Do you have someone that you have a hard time beating in a video game?
Good job, Shulk.
That's
Not the top button.
Yay! We didn't lose to the first stage!
That was probably the quickest time you've done a community question and video.
I've done it quicker before, like at the very beginning.
Like the first thing you say after your intro?
Yeah, I think so. I think I've done that. Ooh, let's go after them. They have the most wrenches.
Yeah, they've got custom parts.
Who's your team member be?
Shulk!
Shulk! Probably not the one I would have picked, but I'm letting you. Oh boy. Oh boy, this one's gonna be tricky. Especially if it's this stage!
No, it's Bowser!
Like I said, this stage.
Well, the
Fun,
good news is Bowser
kind of
just
easy
offed
to-
himself killing me.
Yeah,
That's the plus of it.
Well, I guess we have 2 more to go then.
Yeah, no! No!
You wanna off yourself one more time?
No, I don't!
Although, wasn't it Bowser that grabbed you?
Yes, that wasn't my fault. He just pulled what Galaxy has done to me sometimes as a cool joke, where he grabs me and tosses me down the cliff with him.
Oh, crud!
Oh, that was a bomb. Well, I guess you're on your own now.
Well, thank you.
Wow! You handled that well.
Slow motion of Lucas falling on his butt. Alright, so no worthy prizes yet. I don't know if you know this, but I haven't gotten all the customizations for the characters.
Yeah, that
Which is
takes
kind of
a while.
ridiculous considering how long the game's been out.
I haven't done that on the 3DS game just yet. I've gotten one for every character, minus the ones I haven't bought yet. Oh wait, you can't earn those. Never mind. But I got one for every character, but I haven't gotten them all. Because that takes a while and takes a lot of luck too.
Why did I do that?
No, let
I
go
saved
of me,
myself.
Paladin.
You know, there was a long time I could not figure out how to do... Thanks, DK! Thanks! Well, why I waited mid-air. It was a long time before I figured out how to use Ness's PK Thunder move successfully to save myself. That was so hard for me back in the day.
I'm still not good at it. I've done it on occasion, though. I know what to do, it's just doing it.
I don't want to die yet! Again. Odds aren't exactly in our favor right now. Okay, that's a little better.
My screw attack, or your screw attack, I suppose.
Oh, yeah.
That works
It is
too.
fine.
No, Freezy! Oh, crap.
Get screwed, Palutena!
I missed.
That might have not been the best thing to say
Yeah!
for a PG channel.
Yes. No, Dorky, and he's done. He's so
Need more
adorable.
Starfy! Where's the next game? Even though I haven't played any of the games.
Well,
the only English
the only one you can play without, like, emulators or something, and just guessing what they're telling you, because it's all in Japanese, is the Legendary Starfy, which is probably the best one.
That's the
in my
4th or
opinion.
5th game.
I think it's the 5th. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure there was a Destino no staff before, because somehow I remember the Japanese name.
I pick Mewtwo!
Yeah, Mewtwo's a good one to pick.
Yeah, he was in the first movie.
Yes, he was. Oh, right, it's Beach Boy Show.
The one without his shirt. Okay.
And
Should I say it now?
Luigi Mario.
Oh. I guess he has his inner demons after all. It's based off other video I watched from someone else. Don't think about it too much.
Alright.
It's dumb! It's a theory! It's not part of this video. Moving on!
You watch Game Theory!
No, that was not where I got that.
Fine,
I mean,
now
I'm sure that other people have kind of talked about that, but we're not going to. We're somewhat better than that.
Somewhat better than that.
Sometimes you need to stop me from saying things. Just because it's my channel doesn't mean I know what to say most of the time.
Oh.
Yeah.
But
so I blame you.
What? No, you can't do.
Oh!
What?
I walked right into that.
That was me, by the way. Oh wait, no.
Yeah, but I still walked right into it.
Okay, I am not going to do something so predictable to help the other. No! Yeah, couldn't see that in your future. Yeah, I realized how terrible it was the moment I started to say it.
I don't care. If it gets a laugh from me, it's golden. Oh no.
Are we facing all those people?
All of them.
Oh my god.
What the?
No, I wasn't ready.
Oh no.
And it's just us?
And Giant King DVD.
Oh, he's giant too. Great.
All we get is gold. Stupid gold. Okay, this isn't a bad matchup at all. We're not totally screwed.
Well, I will try my best. That way, that's all you
get rid of the king first.
I'm trying my hardest.
Oh, good. He shrunk.
Well, I hit the lightning
good.
bolt.
I'm just gonna stand here for a while.
Another.
Although it should do
Oh,
something
no.
until he comes back. Oops. There we go. The king's been
We got him
dethroned. Uh-oh. Alright, we gotta defeat these two without losing another star.
Yeah.
Can we do it? No, we can do it!
Yeah, we gotta be. No, we gotta be confident.
Optimistic and confident, like you said. Right, you were training me into that, right?
Sure.
Good!
I'm
not
testing
optimistic
you.
anymore! I'm not Well, there goes our 9.0.
Well, we can still do better than 7.5, right? It's 8.5. We'd have to die 2 minutes, 2 more times to get.
We still didn't beat 9.0.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It was gonna happen.
Yeah, this is hard.
Oh, good. You're back.
Especially since there's if we had gotten
I tried
to the finale, we would have had to do a phase. Only hitting me attempted once.
That's good. Pokeball, go! Alright, Snivy! Oops. Get out of here. Go. Come on, leave me alone.
Leave me alone!
No.
He didn't leave me alone.
Did you die?
I died.
Oh, wait. I still got a stock. No, stock left.
Yeah, you got 2 stuff.
Never mind. Okay,
I
I'm grabbing
missed
that. I'm grabbing that. Nope.
Get him?
He's still alive! Yes!
Yeah!
Whew!
I'm pretty happy though that all those people watched our Sonic Mania video.
I still want to kind of continue with that.
Good, because that's what we're doing tomorrow.
Alright! Maybe we'll even complete the game without all the chaos.
Maybe, but I won't be the one to do it at first because you've seen my Sonic skills.
Yeah. Wait.
Well, 2D Sonic skills.
So, wait a minute. Are you saying you don't want to continue your file?
Well, I mean, are we doing it?
Well, I mean, we would, but I mean, I do have another idea for a video. Here, take this.
I mean, I want to see what I'm supposed to take.
Me and Galaxy West play?
Yeah!
It's granted! I've got a great idea on how to do that.
Alright.
I guess we can wait on trying to finish the game unless one of us...
I want to...
Galaxy West!
Yeah, I want to
the
see
game.
farther into the game. It's just that I'm not sure I have the skills to do it without taking too long on camera to do so.
You recognize enemies? I saw myself again.
Right now, I'm trying not to die again.
Alright. I think Blitz is here. Blitz, why would you attack us? Wait, who? Ruby?
Might have
on
been.
my butt again.
I said maybe.
Oh. Well, that's not the me character I made. Anyways, to the final fight, where I won't screw up like I did in the 4th episode. We only get trophies.
Well, good. I've got all the trophies on the 3DS version.
All the trophies on this game, aside from the ones where you have to accomplish accomplishments.
At some point, I'm gonna buy my own copy of the Wii U version.
Ow, 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 ow!
But
am I dying?
At this point,
it's a rhetorical question.
You die.
Dang it! No! Why?
I'm gonna jinx it! I'm gonna jinx it! I don't wanna jinx it! I jinxed it! It's because I laughed! Or did I laugh?
Am I supposed to just press down when those platforms come, or just get off the freaking screen?
Get off the platforms when they come.
Well, yeah,
but that's easier said than done.
Then I jumped onto another platform.
We're not gonna even get to see that thing.
Wow, am I surprised?
We're not gonna even get to whatever his name is.
Monster Fortress.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, we got one more shot.
Oh yeah, true.
I guess. I'm just glad I got to him once. But if I want to beat 9.0, then I need to beat Master Fortress at 9.0. So let's do that! Not in this episode because we already failed, but let's at least get to Master.
Ow.
I did not!
Oh my gosh, man.
Can I
No, not yet. Let's see how this pans out.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
No,
I'm gonna do it.
No, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Do it.
I did. I took a picture of Lucas. What did you think I was gonna do? Come on, answer that. What?
I thought you were going to reset. Going to cancel.
You're on your own, kid. I am of no use.
Don't off yourself. There's still
I'm not
a chance.
trying to.
There's still a chance. Still a chance. Nope, I'm going to stay here while you do that.
Yay!
Oh, finally!
We beat one of them.
Finally!
We only have one stocky.
Yeah, we're so good at this. This doesn't look like Master Fortress.
No, we have to do the other 4 first. Good job.
Are you kidding me?
Good job.
I'm never going to get that far. It took me forever.
We are never gonna get that far.
I had to use a really mean custom character in order to be able to beat it on the 3DS.
That's probably what a lot
I
of
decided
people
to take
did.
Bowser and make a custom where I upped his defense to crazy stupid levels. Where he could take a crazy amount.
Stuck. I didn't even go into the portal, I was just stuck.
Well,
alright, Master Beast!
Oh, good.
I forgot what the other one was called, so... Master Giant?
Type? Yeah, called Giant.
Yeah, that sounds about, but I'm dead.
No, you're not!
I'm alive! I'm alive!
Don't give up till the very end! I'm going to do this again.
Now!
No, it's not the very end!
And not until we get the Master Sword's edges.
Oh, I'm never going to survive that. That's where
I didn't even survive this!
Yeah.
Oh well, no
I was
Master
expecting
Fortress.
that. Master Edges is the bane of my existence.
So, what do you want to do from here? Continue?
Yeah, let's continue off camera, I guess.
No,
Unless...
no way.
Okay, we could continue now. The people want to know how far down we go. That's a
Besides,
horrible way
I owe
to say
them
it.
for quitting on this in the 4th episode. Like, I legit quit after failing 3 more times. It was bad. It was bad.
So maybe Sonic isn't the best character to take through this, apparently.
What depends on
I'm
how
okay
good you are with Sonic.
I'm good with Sonic, but apparently not good enough.
Or you just need to practice some more. Ow.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
No! No, come on!
I saved you!
Thank you.
Sacrificing myself, I guess.
They totally would have gone.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wait! What?
Got it! I got it this time. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. No.
Master Crazy set me up. He attacked me while I was on the platform and I went up into the stairs. I lost another stop. So once again, you're on your own.
No.
I'm just gonna cry.
Well, at least I haven't died this time. So, that's a plus, right? Ow! I shouldn't have held the button.
Oh shoot,
That's
I thought
what I
that
get
attack
for
was gonna
holding the
land.
button. No! I know what you're trying to do, and I won't let you. Oh no. He's gonna lift it up!
I'll look at the bright side.
Luckily, I've had a ton of practice with a lot of these forms, so I, relatively speaking, know what they're going to do now. Dodging their attacks is another matter, but I know what to do, it's just doing it.
Well, then do it!
Well, it's harder than you think.
What? Okay.
Why did I go toward him? I should have gone away.
I mean, there's one bright side to this for me.
You missed! Oh, crud. I shouldn't talk.
You wouldn't criticize me for my mistakes. Now, Galaxy Wisp.
Oh.
I can't wait to hear him criticize me for my mistakes. In episode 10. Oh, no! Okay, I'm alive. I'm alive. That's good.
That is definitely a positive. No. Not today.
Nice block. And I'm glad you didn't attack me this time.
Yeah, I'm glad to use the dodge
and
like
I'm dead.
crazy during end.
I thought that was... I thought...
It's okay, I've got one more stock and I'm at 0%.
Bye! Bye!
Oh, no.
Wait, I'm alive? Can I at least use PK?
No! It's up to me. Good.
What was I just talking
that
about?
Kind of pressure. I love that kind of pressure.
I was just...
Oh, look at it!
Just talking about how good I am
I'm
with
not
PK
going to taunt,
Thunder.
though, because that's
Oh
exactly...
my gosh, my ghost is after you!
Oh no! Why would you haunt me?
No way, it's not a ghost! It's that evil entity I was joking about!
It's dark matter! Ow, I deserve that.
Exactly.
For that quip, I deserve that. No! You've done enough!
I'm saying it's my inner demon! It's finally come out! It's my inner demon out to destroy you!
You weren't helping!
Alright.
I mean, I know you were dead, but what you were saying was not helping. We were so close! I could have actually done that.
You would have done it terrifying at the end.
Yes.
Alright, my sole mission right now, not to lose a stock on Master Hand and
That's
Crazy
the big
Hand.
thing about Lucas and Ness you have to keep in mind. If you fall off the edge, you're in deep trouble. Because it's hard to save yourself.
Almost set yourself up!
I know I did. But
Oh my gosh, yes, we did, except it's an easier level, so
yeah,
we did it.
that was definitely a much easier level.
Alright, are we going to Master Giant again?
Yep.
Alright, we're not quite to the point where we get downgraded to Master Beast. That's good, right?
Whoops.
Didn't jump in time. Dang it! Used to be able to evade that. I'm not good at this game anymore.
You need to practice.
I need to practice every day of my life.
Okay, that's a little excessive. Some people would, and I deserve that for saying that. I shouldn't have said that.
I was stunned! I couldn't do anything! I was stunned and I fell off the cliff stunned! Oh my gosh!
Not this
So
time.
sad!
Whoops, I didn't.
At least I'm
Right?
failing with someone this time, and not failing by myself! Okay, alright. We're gonna get this. I don't care if we only have one stock. We're gonna get
We
this.
can do this.
Yeah.
You gotta have confidence.
We have to have I have to have confidence.
That's right.
I have to correct myself because I'm the one who speaks negatively.
Yeah, you're the one lacking in confidence. I'm going to jinx it if I say stuff like that. So I should really stop talking like that.
Well, at least I'm having fun! So much fun!
Yeah!
Well,
But
it's
I'm
up to you again.
technically worse off than I was the
I'm
last
gonna
time.
go grab some water.
And I have to do Master Edges. You're my favorite. You're the best, Master Edges. And that's one of the things I like about Sonic, though. I can make a recovery, but no, stop what you're doing. I can make a recovery pretty well when I'm falling off the cliff. When that happens, yeah, this is about what I probably should have expected.
I shouldn't have done this.
I should probably pick somebody that's more resilient than Sonic the next time.
And I
if
should
there is
pick
a next
someone
time.
that isn't Lucas.
Yeah. I'm okay
I
with Sonic,
swear,
but the
I
problem is
won
he gets
9.0
beat
with
around
Lucas.
easily.
I have done that before.
I love his agility and all, but at the same time that means he gets knocked around pretty easily, which is kind of a problem. I should pick Bowser next time. That's a good idea, right? That's actually not a terrible idea, though, because he's got a good save, too.
Uh-oh. We got downgraded.
I knew we would!
least I have you.
That's right.
You should sing a song to care about that. Go ahead,
a
pick
little
song.
shame. Besides, I'm not sure that was the time for singing. Although I was talking in some video we recorded at some point that I sing for sometimes when I'm nervous or tense.
You did mention that. Well, I avoided that attack this time. I'll give myself credit for that. Wow, I almost...
No, you ruined it. Oh no, you saved! Good job, good save.
Did it work? Work! Oh my gosh, it worked. Still can't...
Nice recovery, Sonic! It's
can't
still a
avoid
nice
that.
recovery.
But at least I still have another stock this time.
And I still got another stock.
We'll beat this!
We totally would. We're still gonna beat this though.
Optimism! What are you doing?
Waiting for him to come close. I don't know. If I should do
We're both
that.
fighting the same battle. Okay.
There we go. No, that's not the move I wanted. I missed.
There we go. We did it! Woo! It only took how many tries?
Whoops. That looks stylish, but I missed.
Ascending! Just not in a bad way, I guess.
Well, you got one new thing.
I got one new thing.
A silver saddle.
At least I can sell it.
Wait, you can sell those? Oh wait, yeah, of course you can. I just haven't done that because I don't know. Yeah!
Aren't we just the greatest team ever? Woo!
Oh, you did do it with everybody. I probably should have figured. Wait, is that everybody?
I don't know. I'm looking.
I don't. Oh wait, no, there's Bayonetta.
Oh, you saw. Where's Bayonetta? I don't.
Behind Mr. Game & Watch.
Oh my gosh, this is like a game of Where's Waldo.
Oh my gosh. Where's Corn?
Let's see. This is what everyone wanted to see.
Yeah.
Oh,
we probably should
is
stop.
Corn the? Oh wait, that's not Corn.
Oh my gosh, I don't think I see Corn.
What? No, I
Everybody in the comments is gonna be screaming, "You have Corn! You have them all!"
I don't see Corn. I'm just gonna let the credits roll.
I literally don't see Corn though. I don't think you did with everybody.
Well, I do my outro now, but I'm not 100% sure UltramiteHero won't say something.
What do you mean by that?
Exactly!
So what, am I just supposed to shut up during the credits?
I don't know. Have you watched my videos?
I don't think I have to shut up during the credits.
Well, I mean, you don't have to if you want to be technical about it. But I'd appreciate it if you would shut up during the... Why are we saying shut up?
I don't know.
Well, this has been We The Play.
And UltramiteHero.
Maybe we don't have anything left to say, so if that's the case, we hope you enjoy your day.
Was I supposed to join in with enjoy your day because you told me to shut up during the credits?
Oh, this guy! Do you hear this guy right now?
Oh my gosh, the One Piece.
Yes, One Piece.
No, I
That's
don't
a show I
want to reference
watched
that
before.
show. I mean, I've never watched an episode, so I guess I shouldn't.
Hey, do me a favor and get that one last splotch so we get 100%.
Oh, there's
that
the
one.
last splotch.
So, until next time,
I
you
kicked
kicked me.
you.
You kicked me! You kicked me!
We got 100%.
Catch you later! Catch you later! Get you! This is a battle now!
Oh no, you're actually going in!
Yes! Yes! Here we go! I'm going in! No! Oh.
I'm not done yet! No, I'm still not done
If I
yet!
press the button, I think
I'm
the
the
mouse
comeback
Wait,
kid.
no? Okay. Can I just use the B? Yeah, I could use the B button to defeat you. This is what the video's gonna be. I'm feeling so bad right now. No! No! I was doing so good until I decided not to use the...
Oh! We'll never know
No!
who won.
I would have won that! I would have won... Okay, catch you later. We're done.
For real.
We're done for good.